Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Abhinav Jolly from QA Guides. If you have any question in software testing, you can call me on plus 91 925 220 Okay, let's start with our next session. Okay, so today we will be starting with Cucumber BDD. Okay, you must be aware of BDD. So what is BDD? BDD is basically driven development. Okay, so what happens in it? We have a text file. Fine. We only write a simple English in it. Okay, getting the in BDD driven development, we have to write simple English. Okay, and it should work accordingly. Let's see how it works. So we write lines like I open the browser. Okay, I open the browser and I go to Google. Okay, then search and I search. Testers simply write a common English, and Cucumber is a tool which help us to implement this BDD, behavior driven development. Getting the things? Okay. Like TestNG, we need to install Cucumber also. So we have to go to install new software. This is the link. Okay, Cucumber GitHub.io, github.com. I think it's just a second. Be with me. So this is the link. HTTP Cucumber GitHub.io Cucumber Eclipse update site. Okay, like remember TestNG about how we used to do. Click on next. See, it started working. That is installed. Click on I accept. Click on next and all this I accept the agreement. Let it install. It is installing the software. Okay, see, install software. See, go through all my modules. Okay, till 25 you will learn all the frameworks. You can clear any interview. Okay, it will ask you to restart the Eclipse. So let's create a new Maven project. Okay, and I give the group ID as com.qa guides, and artifact ID as say it's module 26. Cucumber. Fine. Finish. Let it create. See, it is creating. It is importing the things. So my new Cucumber project is created. Okay, and I am taking the existing form.xml. I am pasting it here. Okay. Sorry. Don't paste. Let's open it. The existing one. This is our existing one, and this is our previous one. Say I am taking the dependencies from here. Wait, let me take dependencies. I am taking dependencies from this project. Okay. In here. I have taken these dependencies. Fine. Paste these dependencies here. Fine. Save it. And another, see, it is started building. Another important thing is that take the dependencies of Cucumber also. So go to Google. Type here okay, go to my ambient repository. So here you can see some dependencies. Okay, I am copying these dependencies. Fine, go to your project form file, paste it here. Okay, save it. Fine. See, it is building. See, I have copied all the dependencies. Now click here and click on effective form also. So it will download. Okay, it is loading all the dependencies. Fine, you can see it has loaded all the Maven dependencies. Getting the things. So here you can see Cucumber dependencies also get downloaded. Right? I think I have already explained how you can work with Maven. Okay, what I have done, I have just put it on my form.xml all the dependencies, okay, which are required plus the Cucumber dependencies. Getting the things? Okay. Fine, I have added all these things. And remember one thing important, that Cucumber project can be executed with runners, and the runners can be JUnit or TestNG. Okay, see, JUnit is now out of market. We will be discussing on TestNG. Fine, if you want to know about JUnit also, we can have a separate session for it. If you want it through JUnit, then you should have dependencies of JUnit. If you want through TestNG, then you should have TestNG dependencies also. Okay, so let's start bringing up a feature file. What is a feature file? Feature file is just nothing. It is where we need to write simple English. Okay, and feature file is always written in this resource folder. Getting the things? Let me create a new folder inside it. New package I am creating. Okay, and let its name to be feature. Finish. And under this, let me create a new file. And let me name it as holiday. Remember, its extension is always feature. FEATURE. Okay, getting the things? Good. So as soon as you clear this feature file, make this feature file, you will have something like this. So these hash are comments, but the main story starts from hashtag. Here you need to explain what your feature file is doing. Okay, so in tag we can give example, say book hotel, okay, and flight, and flights. And here you can, in features you can explain, oh, in features you can explain what exactly you are doing. So you can give this going for holiday, okay, and you can explain here, I want to book flight tickets and a hotel. Okay, so you will come to know what these tags are. Okay, our task is this, that we are going to book, and in that we can have multiple scenarios. Okay, in Cucumber we don't have test cases, we have scenarios. Okay, and each scenario should be independent. So I am taking one scenario, I am deleting all these things. Okay, save it. Okay, let's say I have a scenario, I want to book hotel. Okay, now what happens, these are actually steps going to happen, and we have a predefined grammar actually it all depends on the grammar, and we have a predefined words in it which we are going to use. Okay, so here given, say what is given? Given is some precondition. So say I have a precondition that I live in Moscow. Okay, this is a precondition I already have. And here and means some other precondition, you know, and or not. In the same way we have a and. So there is a one more condition that I want to go on a holiday. Okay, getting the things. We can also have multiple and conditions like and we are 10 adults. Okay, and we want to book from 10th Jan 19 to 20th Jan. So there can 2019. So there can be multiple and conditions. So after this and we can put when. Okay, some key action. When I have to perform some actions. So when I go to travel agent. Okay, after that we can use then. Okay, so then the obvious outcome, what should be the case if I go to travel agent? So I can write here then he should be able to help me in a budget of say 1000 USD. Okay, getting the things. And with then also I can join the condition with the help of and. So and he should provide me option to cancel. Okay, we can use a but condition, but okay, but it should not happen. Okay, like that. But he should not ask for advance more than 300 because I too have some condition. Okay, so this condition comes under it. You can remove it. So these are some simple steps. Fine, you can use it. So this is our feature file and it always has scenario. We can give the scenario name as book hotel 1. Okay, now we need to create a Java file. Okay, that Java file is known as step definition. What? Step definition. Okay, this is a feature file and the Java file we will be creating is a step definition. Here I will create a new package. com.qaguides.cucumber. Okay, finish it. So these errors are also coming because we need to implement all them. So I am creating a new class known as my holiday .java. Okay, and this will implement this feature file. Okay, in next session I will tell you how this class is going to implement these things. Okay, thanks for watching. Go through all the modules, go do the revision, you will be perfect. Okay, thanks for watching. This is Abhinav Johri from QA Guides.